Okay, as you can see on screen, we have the Vibe Marketing Ad Writer. What this ad writer will do, and you'll get a link to this in the video description, but you can upload a meme and give it some simple instructions, and it'll create variations of ad sets for you to use on Facebook. So we're going to drop the meme I made in the last video, right? Of 5 variations, because you want variations when you're making ads, so you can go and use all of the available variations of Facebook ads talking to homeowners about their decision to decline sewer backup coverage on their homeowner insurance. That's it. We just made, and then you can go, oh, good. Let's make them longer form. Because I found longer form ads, because what happens is they click read more, and then they keep going. And they go, oh, this is pretty funny. Oh, I want to talk to this person. Oh, hey, maybe I should get a quote from these guys. But this is how to make ads easy. Get the copy really easy. So we can make one more variation. We're trying to create leads and quotes. Let's add a CTA to get a quote to end in. There you go. Now we've created 15 variations of ads, and you can go add all the variations like I showed in that one of those other videos, or you can just use this one. Just use one. And you can test it, and you can throw $10 a day at it, and you'll get some leads. So that's it. 2 minutes on writing Facebook ads.